Big buns, big meat. What you wanna eat? Big fun, fresh meat. Take a bun, you want fries with that? Fries with that? Yeah, we want fries with that. Give me some fries with that. Suck and take shakes. Make that body quake. All that you can take. Juicy nuts with a mistake. You want some fries with that? Fries with that. Yeah, I want fries with that. Give me some fries with that. The meat and the buns, the meat and the buns. What you gonna want? Then you get some fries. Eat up all your fries. Then you want some fries. Gotta eat some fries. Then you put some fries.
We'll be right back to Pickle and Peanut on Disney XD.